Get a load of this, cause I'm about to quit. Your bag of exceeds my weight requirements, and I can't handle it. Your love is CrossFit. You got me flipping mental tires, jumping rope and shit. Feel like I tried hard, put in some good work, but in the end, the incident today I divert. My priorities, no longer your needs. I know my running back at me when you're lonely. Savor these last seconds. This 1, 2, 3, I'm gone. No more second guessing. This is moving on. I hope that you remember every moment, 'cause this is the last time we say goodbye.
You were 16, holding her hand. All the time they had, they were building big wonders. They knew time stayed as long as they wanted, remained as much as they needed.